is the first in a long series of videos. Yes, I am going to be giving you Google Slide presentations on different topics in 5th grade science. All right, this week is all about matter. Matter. Let's get into it, shall we? What is matter? Now, I didn't say what's the matter. I said what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Examples of matter: the clouds, the sun, balloons, a teapot, a cup of water, trees, bubblegum, Skittles, tacos, my favorite. You have mass, you take up space, and so therefore you matter. All right, properties of matter. How can we describe and classify matter? Well, there are several ways that you are going to learn about in 5th grade. First, we can classify matter by state: mass, volume, magnetism, relative density, conductivity of thermal energy and electrical energy, and solubility in water. But what do all those mean? So first, let's look at each of the physical properties of the matter more closely. Pretend I have a magnifying glass. All right, the states of matter. The 3 main states of matter. Notice I say main because there are actually more states of matter which we're too young to get into. They are your solids, your liquids, and your gas. Solid has a definite shape and volume. It does not change, okay? The table that you are sitting at, the chair you are sitting at, does not change its shape. It has a definite shape. You have a definite shape until you probably start to eat too many Twinkies, and then you might expand a little. Liquid has a shape only of its container, okay? So it has a definite volume, meaning how much liquid is in there, but its shape changes to conform to its container. Think of a bottle of water, okay? A standard bottle of water, filled with water, and then if I take it and I pour it into a big giant glass, the volume of it's going to go down because it's going to spread out more, but it's still going to be in a round closed container. Gas does not have a definite shape or volume, which when you think about people in class passing gas, you kind of wish it did have a definite shape and volume, because then I wouldn't have to smell it, or you wouldn't have to smell it. Just that person. All right, the next physical property of matter is mass. Is that math? Mass is the amount of matter in a substance. And how do you determine that, guys? You weigh it. Measured within a balance with grams, or measured in with a balance in grams or kilograms. Sorry. The next physical property of matter is volume. Like this kind of volume or this kind of volume? No, it's not that kind of volume. It is the amount of space something takes up, often measured with a graduated cylinder in milliliters or liters. The next physical property of matter is magnetism. So like attraction or not attraction. That kind of attraction? Like, oh, he is so cute. Or dang, she is so cute. No, not that kind of attraction. Magnetism is whether or not an object is attracted to a magnet, okay? Think of your fridge. Most of you have magnets on your fridge. We have magnets in the classroom. So, the next physical property of matter is relative density. What is relative density? It just means does it sink or float? So why can't you just say that? I don't know. Relative density is whether a substance floats or sinks in water. Who ever had a rubber ducky in their bathtub? Come on, you can admit it. Did it sink or did it float? What if you're in a swimming pool and someone throws a big rock in the swimming pool? What's it gonna do? Sink or float? Some things you automatically can tell or guess and guess right. Some you really gotta try them out for yourself. The next physical property of matter is conductivity of thermal energy. Thermal. Heat. I'm cold. Conductivity of thermal energy, whether an object conducts or insulates thermal energy. So whether it puts out thermal energy or whether it insulates in my body. The next physical property matter is conductivity of electrical energy. Okay, so that means whether an object allows electricity to pass through. Funny quick story. When I was a kid, went to my cousin's farm in North Dakota. He grabbed onto an electrical fence. Electricity ran through his body. He quickly grabbed my hand, to be mean, and guess what went through my body? Electrical energy. Yes, we were being electrocuted by an electric fence. I don't recommend it. It doesn't hurt really bad, but it doesn't feel like you're getting tickled either. The next physical property of matter is solubility in water. What does that mean? Solubility? Oh, whether or not a substance dissolves in water. So like whenever I go to Texas Roadhouse and I order an unsweet tea and I decide to try to put some sugar in it because I like it really sweet, not their sweet, the sugar just goes to the bottom. It doesn't dissolve. Then why even have the sugar packets on the table? So, to conclude, these are properties of matter. You can pick up anything and look at it and describe if it's what its physical state is, if it has mass, volume, magnetism, relative density, conductive of thermal energy, conductive of electrical energy, or if it's solubility in water. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you like my channel. And if you're not if you're not in my classroom and you're watching this, I hope this totally helps you out in kind of understanding a little bit more about matter. And if you like it, tell your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.